What's up guys, Ryan Lau Kicks here. Today we have the Air Max 98 TL's Supreme collab. Let's check it out.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Jumping right into the box, we have a pretty boring all black standard Nike box with a small Supreme box logo on both sides. Pretty boring if you ask me, very generic, nothing too much going on here. So jumping into the design and materials of this sneaker, I really do enjoy the Air Max 98 TL. I think a lot of the materials they use on this sneaker are premium and high quality, along with the 360 air bubble. There's a lot of comfort in there. The collaboration itself is very minimal, which I do like. Subtle hits of Supreme on the tongue and the heel, as well as the laces. So not really all in your face Supreme like other collabs we've seen in the past. But definitely a clean sneaker, and honestly one of the better colorways than the other three that released, which I think were the black colorway and the pink colorway. Throwing these on feet, I went true to size, which is size 7.5 men's. The fit on these felt pretty comfortable. The one thing I would say is that the toe box is a little narrow, so people with wider feet may need to half size up. But other than that, I really enjoy the premium materials used on this sneaker. It felt snug and well put together, as well as the air unit on the bottom, giving me some extra comfort in each step. Overall, comfort wise, it's a pretty solid sneaker and can definitely hold up on its own through daily wears. So honestly, styling a pair of white sneakers is pretty easy because they match with anything. So here I threw on my go-to outfit for the winter, which is a pair of black Nike joggers, as well as a black Nike hoodie and a black Nike hat, so I guess Nike everything. And then over top, I have a J.Crew olive cargo jacket, which is a thicker jacket for those colder days in the winter. Overall, I think this fit is very versatile. You can always switch out the jacket with any color and style that you want, and I think the fit will look great. And I just like the color combo here with the warm tone of the jacket, matching the black and white aesthetic underneath. I think it's a pretty simple and clean fit. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the fit, what you would change, and maybe some other variations that I can take a look at. What's up guys, thanks for checking out my latest flash review of the Air Max 98 Supreme collab. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll be sure to post all the music and the fits in the description box below, so be sure to check that out as well. I'll also include my social media, so Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to follow that. And I appreciate all the love and comments on the previous video. Almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm pretty hyped. So keep up the good work. Thanks for showing all the love, and I'll see you guys in the next year. Peace.